Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make collage in Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you're gonna see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, etc. You're gonna have to scroll a little bit. Then you're gonna find collage option on the top right corner. Tap on it, then select the pictures that you want to make collage of. Then go ahead and tap on next from the top right corner. Once you do that, you can see you can select grid, image, frame and ratio from the bottom of your screen. Adjust it as you like. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you make a collage using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.